Welcome to day 7 of 30 days of calculus. Today's guided practice problem is from lesson 9-2, taken from page 145. So this is question 3b, limit x approaching to 6. You have a rational function. Now, if you try direct substitution, you will see this will come out to be a 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. That means we have to remove the indeterminate form by solving and factorizing the numerator and denominator. So we distribute the limit x approaching to 6 on the numerator and denominator, and we now need to do the factorization. So let's do the factorization of numerator and denominator one by one. I'm writing the numerator here. We are going to do the factorization using middle term splitting. So the middle term of the coefficient of x is minus 7 and the last term c is 6. So the two numbers which when added gives you minus 7 and which when subtracted gives you 6 are x minus 6 and x minus 1. So that's why these are the two factors. Again, we do the same process for the denominator. So we need two numbers a and b, which when added gives you the middle term negative 11, and which when multiplied gives you 3 multiplied with minus 42. So what can be those two numbers? Let's see. So we do the factorization and we break the middle term using middle term splitting into the two numbers 7x and 18. So 7x minus 18x, that's the breakup. So now we collect the like terms. We try to take the common factor out. So common factor is 3x, you are left with x minus 6. Common is 7, you are left with x minus 6. Take the common term together. And now the factorization is 3x plus 7 multiplied with x minus 6. So we've got the factorization of numerator denominator. Let's plug in the above equation. So the limit x approaching to 6 of the numerator becomes x minus 6 multiplied with x minus 1, and for denominator limit x approaching to 6 becomes 3x plus 7 multiplied with x minus 6. Now let's cancel the common factor. So x minus 6 gets cancelled from numerator denominator, and now we can go for direct substitution by replacing x with the limit 6. So numerator is 5 divided by the denominator is 18 plus 7, which gives you the final limit as your answer, which is 5 divided by 25. Now we need to do the simplest fraction. So when I divide 5 with 25 in simplest fraction, it would give us 1 divided by 5, which is going to be the final limit answer. So this is how you solve a question by factorization and get your answer.